What I see on the horizon is a massive shift on demand with the rise of AI, electrification.
Some of the challenges we face today are constraints with the supply chains and talent and skills gaps.
The local utility can't keep up with that demand, whether it's a data center, a hospital, a mission-critical facility. And that's really where ICC steps in. The impact that we have by controlling the power is tremendous. It's a great responsibility.
These are the core backbones of everything we use to have a electricity-driven society. And that demands a level of excellence that just has no room for error.
These panels have to work. We double and triple check everything.
Where each of these panels go through multiple layers of quality inspection, and a lot of shops don't do that.
If you're not putting out a product that performs, you're not going to be around very long. ICC has a long, rich history because of our commitment to excellence.
Glenn is our founder of ICC.
Right from the get-go, we built a good panel. People would see our work and the calls would come in.
Here at the shop every morning, I'm down here with the team and really get involved in building of these panels to get the project across the line.
As a certified integrator, we built ICC to move faster.
So we have a team of designers and engineers that think quick on their feet.
We built processes and we have it in place to be adaptable so we can start sooner. We can end quicker.
We start out with a great idea, and then like, well, we actually want to change this design. And we say, hey, this would be a better fit for what you're asking for.
What that allows us to do is save you time. If we commit to something, our integrity says we're going to get it done because we understand there's a reason behind that date.
There's some non-negotiables that we deal with, and one of those things is quality. Non-negotiable quality's got to be there. So we can't just cut corners.
Each of these panels, as streamlined as we might try and make them, they're very custom.
It might be difficult, it might be challenging, but we're all going to do our best, and the guy next to you is going to do his best too.
We're not afraid to try new things. Innovation is what's needed in this new market sector.
Modern problems demand modern solutions. Our attention to detail, integrity, and quality are as old school as it gets.
The motto at ICC is old school craftsmanship, new school technology.
Old school craftsmanship to me is elbow grease. It's using tools, it's building something. New school technology is the digital format of that, using 3D models and other technologies to leverage the construction.
If you're tired of long lead times, rigid processes that just don't work, if you're looking for somebody that can be fast, scalable, and adaptable, ICC can deliver.
You just don't see that level of just industry exposure in every sort of panel shop, so to speak. So ICC will not only, provide the hardware for your process, but make sure that you're not missing any spots along the way and figuring out the best way to implement your proposed solution.
It's very satisfying to send a completed control house out to the field.
When I see ICC, I see a company with a very, very strong foundation.
I see growth,
a skilled and adaptable workforce, technology-driven scalability.
I see excitement, really.
And I see a future of innovation.